This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites: runtime, package manager, and editor. Once confirmed, run the framework CLI to generate a minimal app so you have working files. Make sure to pick a sensible folder name and initialize Git immediately. This avoids accidental file loss later. Next, inspect scaffolded files to understand structure, routes, components, and config. Now install essential deps, state, router, and linting so the app can run and be maintained from day one. You now implement core features. Start by wiring routing and lazy loading routes to reduce initial bundle size. Once done, design global state or context for shared data and add persistence for critical small items via local storage. Make components reusable. Define clear props, emit events, and encapsulate styles. Also write unit tests for core logic as you build. That prevents regressions. Finally, integrate build and dev scripts so you can iterate quickly and reproduce the app environment. You finish by optimizing the production build. Enable tree shaking, code splitting, and asset minification to reduce payload. Then add CI that runs linting and tests, and deploy preview builds so stakeholders can verify changes. Make sure environment variables are configured correctly before release. If something breaks, first reproduce locally, then check the browser console and network panel for failing requests or 4xx/5xx responses. If unresolved, verify dependency versions and clear caches. That often fixes mysterious runtime mismatches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.